everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to add user on Monday, and also if you are hiring some implementation consultant, let's say, how you can add them and give them admin access as well. First you would go hover onto the very right side to the very top here, then you would see the teams and then click on invite, and now write down the email of that user. Let's say rehan@test.com. Okay, hit enter. Now if you want to invite them to multiple products, let's say work management, Monday CRM, Monday dev, you can do that by selecting the right product. And if you want to invite them to only one specific product, let's say Monday CRM, you can unselect those and then just click on invite. First thing. Second thing, this one, most of people send this link to sign up. This would be applicable only if the person whom you're sending this link works in your company and they own the email which ends with this @codeandsolutionin.com. In your case, it would be your company name. Okay, but if you are inviting someone outside your company, then always do that. Write down their email here and then select the product, and then click on invite. Now once you have invited someone and you want to give them admin access, close this, click on this, go into administration and then users, and now here you can select the admin role. Do you want to make them admin, do you want to make them member, do you want to make them viewer? And second thing, you can invite the person from here as well. If you click on this invite, in the same way like you invited last time, I showed you this from the very top, going into teams. Now if you click on administration and come in user and click on invite, you can invite the person from here as well. Okay, once you have invited someone, then close this and then change the status to the user role from if they ask for admin or any other. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comments. Thank you.